the whole Fagasa. In his hand, he's got the whole Fagasa. In his hand, he's got the whole world in his hand. Yeah, Tautua!
Mateo mai malema fia toto etoto io so io toloto America.
Talofa, welcome to Fagasa. I'm Eleanor Satawa. Our team here for the youth for Tautua Tupulaga, we decided to get together and do a project this weekend, and that is to go around the village and clean up. Our initiative is to get our youth out, and given the COVID-19 restrictions and regulations, it's about time we come out and show some face and show some love to the village and help clean up. So we were fortunate enough from other villages like Leone, Malaiimi, Faleniu, Matia, Nu'uli. They all came out, showed up, and to make this possible. So thank you for everything that you've done today. Thank you for the support. And Team Tautua, vote for Tautua Tupulaga.
Talo Falava, American Samoa, and Manua. My name is Chrissy Leuma. I'm from the Youth Committee at Leone, also the main committee at Leone. Here representing Leone Committee at Fagasa Youth Cleanup. I just want to elaborate on how important it is to work together, and that's the key goal of what Tautua Tupulaga is to be able to be transparent, to be able to work together, what Tautua means to them. And to me, Tautua is being the supporting people from every angle up until becoming a leader. Tautua to me as a youth is very important because this is your stepping stone to what you want to be in the future. So thank you so much to Fagasa Committee for inviting us here. This is such a great experience to also walk around the village here from Fagasa Tulo. We're here to make our presence known and to encourage the people that they have the right to vote. Whether it is for us, but we hope that they consider our candidates because we believe in their work, and that is Tautua.
Now is not what we expected, but thank you so much for your support and your continued support with each other's communities around the territory. Like what our candidates always say, Tautua.